Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I created this brush stroke and it fits on my circle perfectly. So all I did, and I've done several videos like this, but I don't think I've ever done a brush stroke. I've rotated this thing. The only thing you got to remember that you've got to have a starting and a stopping place for these to connect together. So I'm just going to go up here, and I did those two blocks first just to remind myself that I needed to start and stop there, because you need something to go over to it. I'm just going to kind of do a quick, and you don't have to go like that. There's as long as you're tall on one end the same, this will work. So I've got this group together, so I'm going to just nudge it out of the way. And these are individual blocks now, but if I go here and weld it, then it becomes one big block. Now, I want it to be just 1 inch big. So with my ratio lock, I'm just going to type in 1. Now I need a ellipse, and that's probably pretty good. I'm going to hit P, which really doesn't matter in this case. And I need to find out how long that ellipse is. Matter of fact, I'm going to go a little bigger, holding down the Shift key. Now I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to a curve. And when I do that, I can go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And right here, because it's a curve, this will come up. So we're at 49.17. 49.17. So I need 49 of these. And probably, you know what? Normally I would just duplicate this, but let's go Windows, Dockers, Transform, and we're going to go to Position, and we're going to move them over 1 inch and want 49 of them. And look at that. Now we can count them. Right here, we've got 50 objects because I already had one. That's really pretty good. It doesn't matter. Now, go back to here. I shouldn't have shut that window or that Docker. I can't remember. I think it was 49.17. 49.17. So I need to group this together, Control G, and I'm going to make it 49.17. Now, I'm going to get, let me zoom in here. I'm going to get the artistic media. I've got this selected. Go to the artistic media brush, get up to the brush, and save it. And it's going to ask you for a deal. I'm just going to call it www. It doesn't matter what you call it. Well, unless you want to find it again one day. And then I'm going to click on it and see the nodes have highlighted. And now you need to go up or down. And look what it did. Now, if you notice, it's opposite of what I did. So let's back up here. I mean, the tall buildings, or whatever you want to call them, are on the inside. Let's take this item and let's mirror it upside down. Now let's go to the artistic. I'm going to get rid of that and go back to my freehand tool so I know where I'm at. Artistic media tool. Click on the brush. Save it. And I'm going to call this one www.q. And now what happens when I click on it? You still got to go up or down. And now if I'm going to call them buildings, are on the top because it's doing just the opposite. That's pretty cool. That's a quick way, and it's perfect. I mean, the joint between, if you look here, there's no joints. I just saw that joint. Real light little joint right there. That's how close we were. And you could still probably get rid of that joint. Let's try this. Let's left click, right click. Look at that. We're going to have joints all the way through because that's our joint. Now, if you were going to maybe print this or cut it out, well, we're probably going to break it apart. Go up to Object, break it apart, and see that's our line, so we can take our line out of here. Let's just delete it. And if you were real picky and we're going to print or cut this out, you could get your artistic media tool and cut these lines. Now, it would be a little bit of a pain in the to do it, but if once you did it, and then you took my smart fill tool or your smart fill tool and fill that in, now you won't have any joints. And that's another way we could actually rotate that, but I'm not going to go there today. Anyway, artistic media brush, sometimes it's a big, big help, and sometimes it doesn't. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.